Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy sorbet. First, understand that the key to a smooth, scoopable sorbet lies in the right balance of sugar and liquid. This prevents it from becoming too icy. Next, selecting perfectly ripe fruit is crucial. It provides the most vibrant flavor and natural sweetness, reducing the need for added sugars. Finally, always ensure your sorbet base is completely chilled before it goes into the ice cream maker. This step is vital for a consistent, creamy texture. For your ingredients, start with about 2 cups of your chosen fruit puree, blended until very smooth. Then, prepare a simple syrup by dissolving 1 cup of sugar in 1 cup of water over medium heat, letting it cool completely. Combine the fruit puree with the cooled simple syrup. A touch of lemon juice, about 1 tablespoon, can really brighten the flavors. Finally, strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp or seeds, ensuring a silky smooth base. Now for the churning process. Pour your thoroughly chilled sorbet base into your ice cream maker, following the manufacturer's instructions. Churn the mixture for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until it reaches the consistency of soft-serve ice cream. It should be thick and creamy, but still pliable. Don't over-churn, as this can introduce too much air and affect the final texture. This stage is where the magic happens, transforming liquid into a delightful frozen treat. To achieve that perfect creamy texture, transfer your churned sorbet to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 2 to 4 hours. For an even smoother result, consider stirring the sorbet halfway through the freezing time to break up any potential ice crystals. This helps maintain its delightful creaminess. When you're ready to serve, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly creamy sorbet.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.